Hello friends, this video is for the scholars doing PhD in English literature and also the scholars those who have decided to do PhD in English literature. First of all, we should understand one thing properly, that doing PhD in English literature is very easy because most of the disciplines, other disciplines other than English literature, those scholars do a hectic job because their research is based on experiment. For example, if some scholars are doing PhD in aquaculture, they take a fish and they make experiment with the fish and keep that fish in observation for 6 months, 8 months and 10 months, and they wait for a result. After getting result only, they should develop their idea and they can start writing. For example, if you take a chemistry student, if that particular scholar is doing a PhD in seawater research, they take water samples from a sea and they should send that water sample to lab and they should wait for a result. And this process should be done in a periodical manner, and they should wait for results. After getting result only they can write their thesis. At the same time, this result may differ from their proposal, from their hypothesis, but it is not happening in literature. Before writing proposal, we complete most of the things. For example, we must have chosen the area of research, and we must have selected a writer and works, and we must have completed reading the primary source. Then only we must have selected the topic, because when we send proposal we should also send a topic for the research. So when we send proposal, almost we complete everything. We know the writer, we know the work, and we know what to write and how to write. All the things we know. So comparatively, writing a thesis for English literature is very easy, and we spend less money comparatively with other disciplines, and there is no need to wait for any results. We should write, that's all. What makes writing PhD easy? Here we must have a clear concept. That is, first we must complete primary and secondary source reading, and we must take notes from these two things, document it properly. We must have a regular writing habit without any break. Every day you should write something, at least 2 lines or 1 page. You must write at least 1 page. Suppose in a day if you couldn't write anything, at least write 2 lines. That is very important. You must have a kind of snail pace. If you do all these things, if you follow this suggestion, within 2 years you can complete your thesis. Here what I am trying to say is, most of the scholars they believe that doing PhD is a very tough thing, and this belief is the failure for many students. So first thing is, you should believe doing PhD in English literature is very easy. This will help you to complete your thesis. Wish you all the best.